Think of yourself as a train covering a great distance on Earth throughout your life, encountering different posts, arriving here and there, and then going on again on the journey. You exchange. And while you're doing that, during that time, you become someone different. A train that is carrying a lot of passengers commuting from or to work is a different train than one that carries loads of goods. So feel how you are different today than from a time like 10 years ago. What kind of train were you then? And what kind of train are you now? And pay close attention to the track you have covered and pay close attention to the track that are in front of you, right? Because they are different.